Hello, my name is Jillian Sheehan. This is my screencast for the application One Motion. It is a website where you can create images, you can draw. I think this would be a good tool for pretty much any grade level, particularly a younger grade level, just because it is something very easy to use and there's a lot of options here. My one scenario I was thinking of for this tool would be to maybe create creative images for assignments, such as, for example, for a young group of people to draw their favorite place. So, for example, say a student wants to draw a beach. So, what you could do is you choose your color from these options here. So, for the sand, I'm going to go with this color, even though it's not very much of a sand color, but we can always change it. So, let's do this tool here and start to draw. I can also do the size of the color I want to use, if it'll fade, so I can fade in and fade out. So there's a lot of cool features to this. You can also do a scatter feature, where it'll scatter everything around, which is super cool. So you can really make these super creative, especially if you have a specific assignment to do something that's different. This is definitely something to do. So this button allows you to go back and erase what you just did, which is also nice, so you don't have to worry about, having to start over. Let's go to the size tool again. So we don't want to do scatter. So this allows you to do which level you want. So for size, the thinner you want it, the more to the left you'll have it. And then the thicker you want it, you'll go to the right. The pressure is how dark you want your line. So the farthest to the right is going to be the thickest, darkest line, and the farthest to the left is going to be the thinner and more transparent line. This is going to be the shape of the line, how condensed you want it, or how long you want it. So let's just draw something really quick here. Let's say this is the sand. And the cool thing about it too is you can get a really precise line here too. So for specific assignments, you can really make it your own. Okay. And then for the water, let's pick this color. And then let's try the pressure up a little bit, and let's do the scatter application. So this can be your water here. I know this isn't very good, but if you have more time, you could definitely make this super cool. And then let's go in and make a thinner line here. And let's scatter and draw a sun. And obviously when you're doing it with a stylus on a tablet, it'll be more precise. Okay. So now that you've got your foundation of your picture, what you can do is you can save it. So we're going to do this so you can make a new one. You can open it up into a PDF. You can save it, you can print it, or you can put it in a file with your other creation. So if you make a file with with your other drawings, you can do that too. It's also really easy to share with a teacher. So that way, if for grading or if just for the teacher to view. And that's this application, and I really think this would be good for classroom teaching.